एकदन्तं एकदन्तं महाकायं तप्तकाञ्चनसन्निभं लम्बोदरं विशालाक्षं वन्देऽहं गणनायकं वन्देऽहं गणनायकम्. Hari Om friends, you just watched a small video clip. It reflects what was learnt, what is being taught, and what all art and craft works can be learnt and created by you all through tutorials of KACC Creator in Future. From child art to drawing grade examinations to the highest level, KACC is unique. I say this with pride, for you get to learn not only about art and craft but something much more apart from these. Example, some information of science, maths, Sanskrit and other subjects with moral science as a free offer. That makes it unique. What is the takeaway after attending a particular class? The answer will be quite a lot and always. So, if you are really dedicated, then watch my videos regularly from the beginning to the end to the full and take all that is offered for free, like a prasadam, an offering in a temple or church. You don't have to pay anything for it. You get it free in these holy places. Similarly, our channel offers something which is Sreshtham, Uttamam, Unnatam, means of highest level and the best. So what's new today? Let's learn to draw Ganapatis in easy method from infancy stage to the highest level of drawing. I have some charts as teaching aids, then some A4 size papers, then 10B Artline pencil, an eraser, black sketch pens, foot ruler and a small red sketch pen for marking this Om. Now, from the lowest level of infancy stage, you may say age 3 to 5 years, you call it infancy stage, KG students, or you can say pre-primary level students. Now let's draw the same in pencil. Can be of 1 centimeter will do. I am not measuring. When you get used to drawing, you yourself can calculate it. Angle. You may draw a circle, inner circle. I am drawing another circle. If it overlaps in this point, you may rub it, no problem. Then basic shapes like triangle, circle can be taken. Triangle, one triangle, one 111 on either sides. Again this can be taken as a triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines for Vibhuti. 1, 0, 10 can be written this way. And capital J for jug for the trunk. Then single or double line for the waisting. Loin cloth. Small circles for hands and 2 big circles for the feet. 2 lines indicating plates. You may place a modakam here. Sweet laddu also here. And for the mouse, one small triangle. Eyes, ears, back, tail, and other parts. And we can be generous enough, place many small laddus, sweets here. And for lower primary, we can first draw a capital U, then parallel lines for the eyes. These eyes are very small and but very bright. For the trunk, this line goes this way, okay. This J faces that side and this trunk can face this side. Lines that are overlapping can be rubbed later. You can also give an opening here for this. Trunks can be like this, they can end like this, or the trunk can be closed like this. Anyway, then for the capital C, here also inverted C, earrings. No need to trace. Now for this, primary children, you don't have to use the spangle. A big circle can be drawn. Need not be complete circle, it can vary. Similarly, this need not be parallel to the ground, it can go slanting. This is a navel, but if there is dhoti, navel will not be seen that much. Children don't think that much, but we know it. One line here, another line this way, and end of dhoti or veshti. One foot here, another foot. You may draw something like this. What about hands? Hands again can be circles or it can be like only lines, like small. Only see to that numbers should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this can be joined, or this can be also closed like this. This hand which blesses, and this is Japa Kusumam or hibiscus. Science teacher teaches how to draw this diagram. When you touch up with the sketch pen, black sketch pen, it will be something like this. Now, for upper primary, you can have a Ganapati of this type. If I touch it with sketch pen, just see. First you can draw M, capital cursive M you write like this. Forget the stroke. You may draw without the stroke M. How it will be like this, like a mountain. I am just drawing on this. I had drawn it with a 10B Artline pencil, but for you to see clearly I am drawing upon it again. Okay. Then is Mukutam or Kiritam or crown. Here you are the goldsmith and you can decide the design yourself. Anyhow, then his ears are like this. They are folding above and S-like shape here. Similarly here, fold above, inverted S-like shape. There is a flowers also can be drawn here. Eyes. You must be very careful when you draw eyes of human figures and also of animals also. When you draw eyes should be drawn carefully, and in the middle you can draw a continuous design like this. Continuously you can take it to the lower level, growing smaller and smaller. Then mouth and one broken tusk here is Ekadantam, and you know that. Yajnopavitam or sacred thread, and with his right hand he blesses us. And also all the children, students who are in the upper primary who are drawing this. Imagine you are in the upper primary class.